Hey, how you doing? She in this?
Yeah, she's in this one. She said her husband hit her and rolled up her windows on us. She's obviously drunk.
Okay. Hey, ma'am. How you doing?
Good.
I'm Sergeant McCord, Juneau Township Police Department. So what's going on tonight?
I'm waiting. I'm waiting for my husband.
Waiting for your husband? Okay. Where's he at? Okay, give me just a second, okay? And can you turn the car off? I copy. I believe the individual's name that we're out with might be Audrey, with that last name. Is your name Audrey?
Yes.
Okay. What are you looking for?
To turn
I copy. You're what, ma'am?
trying to turn the car.
The car off? Okay. Looks like engine stopped. So you're in drive. Can you put the car in park? Put the car in park. Here, why don't you step out real quick, and then we can try to do that, okay?
Can't.
Okay. Are you injured or anything, ma'am?
No.
Huh?
My husband hit me.
Okay. Your husband hit you? Okay. But from the crash? Where you drove off the road?
I'm okay.
Huh?
I'm okay.
You're okay? Okay. All right, ma'am. And then, if you want to talk to them.
Yeah.
Do you care if this officer reaches in and puts it in park?
Hey guys, sorry it took so long. We were on another call, so we appreciate you guys hanging out for us.
She's all right.
Yeah. Did you guys actually see her go off the road, or did you guys just stop to check on her?
We stopped to check.
Okay. Okay.
She was already like that when we pulled up.
Okay. Did she say a whole lot to you guys when?
She said her husband hit her. That was the first thing she said to me when she pulled up. And then she asked if I could take her home.
Okay. Okay. Did she really say anything to you when you pulled up, or you just got?
That's all I got.
Okay. All right. Do you have your driver's license on you? I'm not going to have you fill out like a witness statement or anything right now, but if I can just get your license, that way I can just attach you to the call in case we have any questions. But it shouldn't. I think obviously just what you told me is I don't think I have to have you fill out like a whole statement or anything, but we appreciate you stopping to check on her though. All right, man. There's that back for you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I think you guys are probably good to go.
Okay. Thank you so much.
We got it from here, but yeah, sir. I think you're good to go. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Well, make sure she's all right.
Yep. Thank you, guys.
Ma'am, are you okay? Are you looking for your key or what?
I'm okay.
Do you have your license?
Yes.
Okay. Can I see your license? Can you please try to put that car in park? There you go. There we go. That's a lot better. Now you should be able to turn. Actually, no. Just leave it alone. It looks like it's off. You still looking for your license?
I got burned. They just after they didn't actually see the walk. Did you get it in park?
Yeah, it's in park.
Okay. She's stuck in the mud.
Yeah, she's up against that tree too.
Yeah.
Would it be in your wallet right here?
No.
It's not in your wallet?
It is here.
That brown wallet right there, ma'am? Right there in your lap. Under your purse? Under your purse? Man, there's a brown wallet right there. In between your legs. There you go. Is that what your license is in? No?
Yeah.
It is? Okay. Now I see it now. There we go. She said she's good.
My husband hit me.
Okay. And so this is your license. And did you have your insurance? Is that in the glove box? You said your husband hit you. I know that every time we've been out with you, you've said that in the past too. Was that tonight, or are you talking about a previous time? A previous time?
Tonight.
When tonight?
7.
When? What was that, ma'am? And where did he hit you at?
Can you take me home?
Well, we're trying to figure everything out. We need to make sure that everything's okay first before we take you home. If you were worried that you're unsafe or something, and then obviously you crashed, so we got to figure out what to do with your car and go from there too. I can smell alcohol or an alcoholic beverage.
Delaware County, Ohio. A car in the mud at the entrance to a neighborhood, a box of wine on the floorboard, and a sergeant who recognized the situation immediately. He had been out with her before. The story she was about to tell, he had heard it.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Like 1 ounce of wine.
1 wine? Is it that box of wine that's at your foot? Right there at your foot, down here? Do you care if I open your door and grab it? Huh? Can I open your door and grab that? This box of wine right here? Is that what you drank? Okay.
Can I have?
Huh? No, I don't want you to drink it. And so were you drinking that while you were driving?
My husband hit me.
Okay, ma'am, but I'm trying to figure out exactly what's going on tonight. So you're not able to give me details about that, so I'm asking you questions about that box of wine. What incident occurred with your husband? Nothing? Do you have a mark on you, ma'am? Or you said you're not injured?
No.
Okay. And did you guys have a disagreement?
Yes.
Okay, and so you started drinking?
Yes.
Was it about you drinking?
No.
And then where did you buy that at the store?
Yes.
Where at? Kroger, Meijer?
Meyer.
Okay. What time were you at Meijer?
Let me look on my phone.
No, that's okay. I wanted you to guess. Did you just come straight from there? 6 o'clock? Okay. And were you there by yourself?
Yes.
Okay. And then, so you're saying all you drank was that one at Meijer?
Yes.
Did you drink it while you were driving from here or Meijer?
No.
Or were you in the parking lot?
No.
No what, ma'am?
Not drinking anything.
Okay. Was it after you were in the car? Ma'am, if you're not able to give me details about that, I've asked you multiple times to tell me what happened.
I'm okay.
Okay. What time was that at? 6? But you said you were at Meijer at 6.
Yeah.
By yourself.
He hit me.
Ma'am, if you can give me details, but you say this every time when we've been out with you, and if you're not able to give...
Don't say that.
What? Don't say what? Don't say what?
Every time you've been out with me.
I've been out with you a few times, and you've said that, and that's never what's actually that occurred. Right? If you can give me details, I can happily investigate it so we can figure out what happened, but I can't do anything if you don't tell me. Did you go to college?
What?
Did you go to college?
What?
I'm just asking, did you go to college?
No.
No? Okay, did you get a high school diploma?
Stop that!
I'm asking you a question, ma'am. Don't get angry at me. I'm asking you a question. Did you graduate from high school?
Oh my God.
Ma'am, I'm asking you a question. Did you graduate from high school? Ma'am?
Why are you demeaning me?
I'm not demeaning you. I'm asking you a question because I have to ask you some follow-up questions. So I'm going to ask you this first so I can see what your level of education is. I'm not demeaning you in any way.
Are you kidding
No,
me?
ma'am. So I'm trying to ask you questions. Did you...
Call my husband, please, right now.
We will here shortly, okay? But right now I'm investigating this crash and what occurred, okay?
What crash?
The crash, that tree that you hit and we're off the side of the road, that's a crash. So you said you graduated high school? What year was that? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Talk to him.
Ma'am?
He's asking you questions.
I'm asking you questions. Because I have to make sure that you were okay to drive. So you already told me you've been drinking. I can smell it. You had an open container. So we just need to make sure that you were able to drive, and then we can worry about talking to your husband. But I have to verify that you're not intoxicated first, right?
I'm not.
Okay. Okay. And that's why I have to ask you questions. So, when did you graduate high school? What was that? Are you thinking?
Yeah.
Huh?
I can't.
You can't remember? Okay. Do you know the alphabet?
A, B, C.
Hold on, don't start. So what I want you to do, okay, is I want you to start at the letter B as in boy. Can you hear me? Ma'am? I want you to start at the letter B as in boy and stop at the letter X as in X-ray. Can you do that?
B, X, B. No, I can't.
You don't know your alphabet? I thought you said you did.
My husband hit me.
Ma'am, I'm trying to figure out, I've asked you multiple times to tell me what happened. You're not able to. And if you want to tell me, that's fine. So I'm trying to investigate what's going on right now. We will talk to your husband and check on him as well and figure out what happened there.
How
long have you been up? Since this morning? Ma'am?
Yes.
I'm investigating. I'm asking you questions. What time did you get up this morning?
3 or 4.
What was that? Ma'am? Ma'am? I'm asking you questions.
Please don't.
I'm trying to get it right here.
3 or 4.
3 or 4, okay. I don't think that would being up for less than, at this point,
Mark,
16 hours.
Call my husband.
What's your husband's name? Like I said, we will work on that here in a minute, but can you first do me a favor? From the number 72 to the number 57, can you do that? Can you say it a little louder, ma'am? I can't hear you.
67, 62, 67.
Ma'am? Are you done? Or did you want to try it again? I couldn't really hear you. You're very quiet.
64, 60.
Can you start back at 72? I can't hear you. You have to speak up, ma'am. You're very quiet.
My husband hit me so many times.
Ma'am, I'm trying to investigate something, and I can investigate that as well, but you haven't given me any details of what occurred. When you said that happened, you also told me you were at Meyer by yourself. You want to do me a favor?
Yeah.
Will you pull my cruiser and put it right here?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you want 615 or are you good with just that?
We might need him to go to her house just to make sure there's nothing going on there. It doesn't sound like, but
I can do that.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to move your cruiser.
Yep. Ma'am? Audrey?
Yes.
Can you speak to me? Will you look at me?
Yeah.
Will you look at me, ma'am?
No.
Why not?
What?
I'm trying to ask you questions and you won't even look at me. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. So you said you were at Meyer at 6 o'clock, correct?
Yeah.
And then you left Meyer, and when did you start drinking?
5.
So before you went to Meyer?
Yes.
Okay. And then you drove to Meyer, bought more alcohol, drank there?
No.
Huh?
No.
No what?
I didn't buy more alcohol.
Well, that's a Meyer bag, right? And the shopping bag in your passenger seat?
Yeah.
What's in that? Cheesecake? Did you buy this boxed wine at Meyer as well? No?
I'm going to move my cruiser up.
Yeah. Where did you buy that at?
This?
No, the boxed wine.
I didn't buy it.
Did you bring it from home?
He hit me.
Ma'am, I'm asking you questions. I've asked you to...
I'm okay. I haven't bought any more alcohol after this.
Okay, that's a cheesecake. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, do you want to try the number test again? Huh? Was that a nod yes?
What are you talking?
I'm asking you if you want to...
My husband abused me.
Can you can give me details about that? I've asked you, ma'am. Tell me what happened. Ma'am?
Tell me what you want.
Ma'am, don't start your car.
No.
What are you reaching for?
You want me to start.
No, I said do not start your car. Do not start your car. Put that back over there. Put the cheesecake back in your seat. Sir, ma'am, put the cheesecake in your seat.
Just asking questions.
So I'm trying to figure out exactly what's going on. So you were at Meyer.
He hit me.
Okay, we're sending a unit to your house to talk to him to see what happened. I've asked you to tell me what happened. You haven't told me. You want to tell me now? Okay. We're gonna do the test again, okay?
Yep.
I want you to start at the number 72. Can you repeat that back to me? Ma'am? Can you do that?
No.
Why not?
7.
Ma'am? Will you do that test? Okay. Okay. What are you willing to do? Because right now I'm trying to determine.
I'm not.
You tell me that, but
I don't know what 72 means.
the number 72, you don't know what that means? Don't start your car. Do not start your car. Do not start your car. Do you understand me? Stop. Go ahead and get out. Go ahead and get out of the car. Hold this.
Yep.
You're not starting your car.
I'm not.
You're reaching for your car to start it. I see you, and you're hitting your brake.
Go ahead and step out of the vehicle,
Step out of the
ma'am.
car, ma'am. I don't want this to go poorly. I want you to step out of the car.
Call my husband.
We can discuss that here in a little bit, but you're going to step out of this car, okay?
I just want to.
You're not starting that car.
All right.
Step out.
No.
Step out.
Let
Ma'am?
me look in my purse.
Push start, I believe.
No, ma'am. Can I take your purse? Where are your keys at?
Step out. Step out of the car.
Ma'am, step out for us, okay?
I'm asking you politely. Thank you. All right. I'm over here. We're going to go right here in front of my car.
Right over here.
We're going to come over here. Can you walk over to the front of my car? My Cruiser right there? Ma'am, the front of my car, this Cruiser right over here. See that car? Can you walk to the front of that?
My husband hit me.
Okay, I've asked you to explain what you mean by that multiple times, and you haven't told me what's going on, and I know you say that in the past as well. Where are you going?
Careful.
Don't fall, don't fall.
Right there.
Okay, go to the front of the car. You're about to fall forward.
Just right here.
Right here.
The front of the car, the bumper. Right here.
Right over here, the front of the
help
bumper.
you down the step. We'll help
Yep,
you up the
we'll help you down the step. There you go. And why don't you lean right there against my bumper? Sit there on the bumper,
Right here.
okay?
You can lean right there, okay?
Turn around. You can turn around. Can you turn around and sit against the bumper?
Put your butt right here. See where this light is? Put your butt there.
Can I see your... No.
6'6".
Right here.
6'13".
Right here. See this? Put your butt there.
All right, ma'am. So, like I said, I'm trying to investigate to determine what... Ma'am, where are you going? Can I see your flashlight? Mine just died for
absolutely.
whatever reason.
Yeah, I got you.
All right.
I got it.
All right, ma'am. So, do you remember what we had discussed? Do you want to try to do the number test again or no? Okay. Are you going to be willing to do any of the tests that I'm asking you to determine whether you're intoxicated or not?
Yes.
You are? Okay. So what I'm going to do you care if I take your hat off? And I'm just going to set it right here on the hood of my car, okay? I'll set it right over here. And then can you take your purse off as well? That way it's not...
No.
We'll just set it right here. It'll be protected.
No.
Why not? Why not?
Because... Are you kidding me?
You don't need to go.
You don't need to go in your purse.
Set your
Just
purse by your
take the
hat.
purse off,
Right
yes.
here. See where your hat is? Just set your purse by your hat. It's right here.
Hey, Mark.
Charge OVI, operating vehicle impaired. Ohio Revised Code 4511.19. In Ohio, the state does not need a breathalyzer to establish probable cause for OVI. Smell of alcohol, admission of drinking, open container in the vehicle, failure or refusal of field sobriety tests. Any combination is legally sufficient. The sergeant could smell the alcohol before the car door was open. She admitted drinking. The open box of wine was at her feet. She said 1 ounce of wine. The box was open. The sergeant could see it. She could not turn off the car. She could not find her license. She said she drove to Meyer at 6. She also said she started drinking at 5. She said she was not drinking when she drove to Meyer. Those 3 facts cannot all be true. The sergeant noted every one of them. Field Sobriety Tests, Ohio, RC Section 4511.19. Alphabet. Number countdown. Pen test. She declined each one. Refusal is not a defense, it is evidence. She said, my husband hit me 7 times during the investigation. Each time, the sergeant told her he would investigate it, and he did. He also told her, once, directly, I know in the past you've done this, when you're trying to get out of trouble. That statement is on camera. Husband interview. He confirmed the argument. She was not drinking when she left. The officer asked if anything got physical. He said no. Then the officer asked one more time, did you put your hands on her at all? His first answer was yes. He corrected it. The camera did not. Driving under OVI suspension. Ohio Revised Code 4511.182. She had a prior OVI conviction. Her license was suspended because of it. She drove on that suspended license to the store and back. That is a separate criminal charge, independent of the new OVI. If convicted on either suspension charge, mandatory minimum, 3 days in county jail. The sergeant told the husband directly he had 2 active suspension charges on top of the new OVI grades. Sergeant McCord, grade A, he built probable cause methodically, smell, admission, open container, FST failures. He simultaneously dispatched a unit to investigate the domestic claim. He named the pattern without accusation. He arrested when the case was built. Under Ohio law, the totality of circumstances is what matters, not a single number on a machine. He had the totality. Every decision holds. Audrey suspect, grade C+.
Hey, are you Audrey's husband? Yeah. Okay, do you mind if I come in and talk to you really quick?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Man, you scared the shit out of me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Come in.
I'll follow you. Okay. Do you know where she's at right now?
No, she left a couple hours ago.
Okay, left a couple hours ago. Was she drinking?
Not when she left.
Not when she left. Did she say where she was going?
She said she was going to get to Meyer and get some cheesecake. I think it's the last thing she said.
Okay. And you said she left a couple hours ago. It's 8:11. So around 6 or...
Yeah.
Okay. Did you guys get into like an argument today?
Yeah, we did.
Okay. What happened with that?
Well, it's an ongoing thing that when we're trying to make dinner.
Okay.
And trying to finalize dinner, she wants to take off and get something else.
Okay.
And we get in an argument over that because I'm, trying to have dinner and she's taking off and trying to do something.
Okay, I got you. So argument over dinner. Did anything become physical at any time?
No.
Did she hit you at all? Did she push you? Put her hands on you? Did you put your hands on her at all?
Definitely not.
Okay, nothing at all.
No.
She's not going to tell us that there was anything physical going on.
You can ask her, but no.
Okay. So the argument was just over dinner. She left about an hour ago. She wasn't drinking. Then.
When she left, she was not drinking.
Okay, I got you. Does she still drink pretty heavy when she's here, or?
She's not supposed to. I mean, I don't know if you have her record or anything, but
yeah, I'm familiar.
She's not supposed to be drinking, so no.
Okay, I gotcha. Well, in all transparency with you, she got called in. The other units have her at the entrance to the neighborhood. It looks like she may have run her car off on the side of the road. She's okay. They're talking to her. The entrance to Highland Lakes over on State Route 3.
Right.
She's okay, but they're talking to her and trying to figure out what's going on with her. She just had made some.
Drinking, or you don't know?
I haven't been out there. They asked me to come make contact with you because
You
she
want to
was.
sit down or something? Or?
I sit in my car all day, so I'm okay. If it's easier for you, if you want to sit down, that's
No,
fine.
I just trying to.
Okay, yeah, I appreciate it. They just wanted me to come over and try to get the side of the story with what the argument was, because I guess she was saying some things that they wanted me to come over and see if what your side of the story was, basically.
Sure. It's just we've had a hard time.
Okay.
The last couple of years.
Right.
And tonight was a night where she wanted to leave right in the middle of dinner while we're trying to finish it.
Okay.
And that's when I got agitated, frustrated again.
Okay, I gotcha. If you just give me a couple minutes, okay, I'm going to go out and call the other units and see if they have any more information or want me to pass on anything to you specifically. If it comes down to it, are you willing to pick her up, or do you not want to pick her up? Or?
Yeah, I will.
Okay, all right. Just give me a few more minutes. I'll come back up to the door, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Coming in.
Okay, sounds good.
Perfect.
All right. What are you reaching?
What's going on? I was just making sure your purse didn't fall off.
Where are you going? Stay right there. Stay right there. Right where you're at.
He hit me.
Ma'am, can you explain to me what occurred? I've asked you to multiple times now. LT, probably hold. If you want. I mean, if you want to. Okay. All right. Ma'am. Are you going to be willing to perform the test?
What test?
I'm going to do a series of tests. I just wanted to see if you're intoxicated or not.
I'm not
You told me that, but I can smell the beverage coming off your breath. You admitted you drank. Okay. So what I want you to do, since you're unsteady on your feet, you're just going to sit right where you're at, okay?
My husband hit me.
Ma'am, I've asked you to explain that to me multiple times, okay? But and we have an officer going to your house to investigate that as well. If you could just sit against this bumper right here. Nope.
You said to sit it.
Yes, you were already leaned back against it. That's not sitting.
Turn around.
Turn around.
The other way.
Other way.
And sit down.
Just like that.
See this right here?
See that?
Lean your butt against it. And just rest your weight.
There you go. Since you're unsteady, I just want to make sure you don't fall, okay? All right, so what I want you to do, can you put your arms down to your side? Ma'am? Ma'am? Can you put your arms down to your side just like this? Okay, and then I want you to look at the tip of my finger. I'm going to hold up a pin right here. Can you see this? Ma'am? Can you see the tip of this pin right here? Okay. Can you look at this? Ma'am, you have to look at the pin. Ma'am, can you look at the tip of the pin like I asked?
Yeah.
I need you to put your hands back down to your side. Can you put your hands back down to your side? Yep, just like that. And then look up, straight ahead. Can you look straight ahead? That's looking down. Ma'am, keep your hands out of your pocket for me. Hands out of your pocket.
Do you want me to put that in your purse so you don't lose it? Okay, then put it in your pocket and leave it alone.
What are you doing?
I'm asking you to perform these tests that I'm asking you, okay?
Get your hand out of your pocket. Leave this out of your pocket.
He hit me beyond anything.
And we have an officer investigating that, and I've asked you to explain that to me multiple times as well, and you've refused to do so. You actually said you would not. We have an officer at your home.
Do it. I won't abuse.
Okay. Can you put your hands back down to your side and then stare at the tip of my pin? This right here. This right here. Ma'am, can you look up here? Can you see that? Can you look straight ahead? You're tilting your head down. Can you look up? The tip of my pin up here. Can you see that? Ma'am, keep your hands out of your pocket. You need to stop reaching into your pockets, okay? I've explained this to you multiple times, ma'am. Ma'am, put your hands back down to your side like we said.
Out of your
pockets.
I'm just trying to...
Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay,
Yep.
we're done. We're not gonna...
All right, it's my phone. It's my phone.
Okay, keep your hand out of your pocket, okay? You're just 21. Or
I think I have plenty. Ma'am, go ahead and turn around for me. All right. Ma'am, put your hands behind your back, palms together. I'm going to do this. I don't want to hurt your wrist, so don't fight me, okay? I'm going to take your thumb out of this hoodie right here so I can roll it up, okay? Hold on, give me your thumb here. Can you tuck that in there so that we can roll this hoodie up a little bit? There you go. All right. Stop. There you go. Put your palms together just like that, okay?
What's your first name? What is it? Audrey. Audrey, do you have anything on you that's sharp that might poke or stick me? Any knives, needles, anything like that? No? No? Okay. What were you going to say? You have what? Nothing dangerous on you though? Nothing that's going to hurt me?
All right, ma'am. While my lieutenant here is gonna search you real quick, I'm gonna tell you a couple things. You're being placed under the arrest under the influence of alcohol and/or drugs, or a combination of both. Okay? Do you understand that? Do you understand these rights?
No,
Okay. What don't you understand about them?
I don't have a.
Oh, careful, careful.
Don't fall, ma'am.
You gotta support some of your weight. You gotta stand up.
I have to fall over.
Yeah. No, I'm not gonna let you
618,
fall over.
Audrey will be
I don't
under
wanna see
arrest.
you get hurt. We won't let you fall over, but you gotta try to help us, okay?
Stop it. I have to,
Ma'am, you're gonna head. You're gonna.
pee.
Okay, try not to pee.
If you about threw your head forward and hit this, so please don't do that. I don't want you to headbutt that hole right there.
Careful.
Don't fall, ma'am.
Careful, you're stepping on the foot. Still stepping on the foot.
I'm
There
just.
you go. Let's switch the sides one more time.
Yep. Got it.
Yep.
All right, man. We're gonna walk right over here to the back of my cruiser, okay?
Walk this way.
Just be careful. There's a curb. I don't want you to step on that.
You see this curb right here? Where my flashlight is? Step over. You're walking. There you go.
Right here.
Yes, ma'am. This back seat right here, okay? Step around.
Okay, it's easiest if you sit butt first. So spin around towards us. Spin around towards us. Turn to your right. This way.
No, wait.
Wait for what? Okay. You got it?
You put your left leg up there. There you go.
There you go. Watch your head. There you go. Are you ready? Are you ready? You got it.
I can't.
Okay. All right. You ready? I'm gonna push
You want
on
me to pull it from the
Ready?
other side of
My
you?
arms.
Yeah, just lean forward how you are. You'll slide in there. It's a groove, but you got to get past this first little door jam. Okay? Do you want help, or can you get your right leg in there? You got it?
There you go.
I can help you lift that leg if you need
No.
it. Okay. You almost had it. You're close. Try to scoot your butt in more before you lift your leg. Use that seat as a leg. Good job. There you go. There you go.
There.
Now you got it. All right, now scooch over, and it'll release on your hands. You're gonna slide right into that groove. Scoot your butt over more, because you're still pinching your handcuffs. You're sitting all the way in the seat. There you go. Now, if you lean forward, you'll take the pressure off those handcuffs. Okay?
All right, man. I'm gonna go ahead and buckle you up. That way we have that taken care of, okay?
Unit 03, check out.
Okay. Are you okay, ma'am?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, all right. I just talked to the other officers. I don't know if she was drinking or not. I wasn't on scene. At the minimum, she's driving for either one of those. So we're not sure if she's going to go to the jail tonight or not. If she does not, are you going to be willing to pick her up later on?
Tonight?
Potentially. We would give you a call if that's the route that we end up going, but there is also a pretty high chance that she might go to jail tonight.
Delaware County?
Yeah, if she goes to jail, she would be going to the Delaware County Jail. If not, then are you willing to pick her up?
Yeah, I'll do whatever
Okay.
you need to do.
Okay, all right, sounds good.
I just have to be in Granville at 8 in the morning, so.
Okay, the decision won't take too long. I don't think, maybe an hour at most.
Okay.
The car was towed tonight, okay, unfortunately.
Was it damaged? Because I just picked it up.
I'm not sure, I wasn't on scene.
Okay.
But it was towed by Shamrock Towing. Do you know where Shamrock is?
It's
right behind the UDF over
I know
there
where
off
that
of
is.
Frost Roads. That's where the vehicle is going to get towed to. Tonight, okay, we had
for what though?
I wasn't on scene, so I'm assuming it was either OVI. So I'm assuming it's either that or she was drinking or a combination of both.
Okay.
So that's what I know. But we'll reach out to you if we ended up.
So you got my number and all that?
Yeah, we have your information. So we'll give you a call either way. Okay.
All right, officer.
Okay. All right. If you have any questions, just give our office a call. Okay.
All right.
All right.
When do you think I'll hear something?
I would say within the hour. I'd say. Yeah, I would say within the hour.
All right.
Okay. All right.
She started drinking before she drove. She drove on an active OVI suspension. She failed or refused every field test. Under Ohio RC 4511.19, smell, admission, and behavior are enough. The C+, she did not resist arrest. She was cooperative between deflections. Mark Husband, grade B, cooperative, forthcoming, confirmed the timeline. I do it every day, he said, about picking her up. The deduction, did you put your hands on her at all? Yes, we did. He corrected it. The camera did not. Lessons. 1. Ohio OVE does not require a breathalyzer. The totality of circumstances is the standard. 2. Driving on an OV suspension is a separate charge with mandatory jail time. 3. Open containers and prior contacts are both on the record and on the body cam. If this breakdown was useful, subscribe. New case every week. Drop a comment. If the husband's first answer stands, what changes about this case? We'll see you in the next one.